honestly, that's as far as I got. It just gets on my nerves. Michael Bublé or Christmas Eve, Christmas Day are fine, but I can't handle it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another holiday inspired look. So today I'm going with a green sparkly lid, and I actually was going to do red lips and then decided against it and stuck with nude just to make it a little bit more wearable and not so bam, Christmas. Yeah, so if you want to see how to get this look, stay tuned. I will be using two palettes in today's video. The first one is Jaclyn Hill and Morphe, the Vault Collection in Dark Magic, and the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe as well. JH30 and the Shadow Potion. I'm using the shadow as my base. I want to apply it over my entire lid and then just a little bit up past my crease. I use very little product and a light touch so that the edge is very buffed out and blended. This will make the rest of my shades that I apply on top easier to blend out. And this is what it looks like after blending for literally 5 minutes. JH31, this really dark green inside job. This is going around my outer corner and along my crease as well. So that added a little bit of depth, but we're going to keep going with a darker shade. JH39, and just a little bit darker than inside job, this one is Enchanted. I'm applying it in the exact same spot, but I'm just being a little bit more precise. JH41, I'm just hitting that with a little bit of Fix Plus before I go in with Trickery, which is a shimmer. I'm stamping this along my lid, out to the corner, but not going past the crease. Using the same brush, I'm going in with Diva, Fix Plus again, and this I'm just stamping mostly in the center of my eyelid and to my inner corner. Still using JH41, although I cleaned it off again, and Zephyr by Urban Decay, I'm going from the inner corner to about mid eyelid. With JH40, I'm going to pick up more of Zephyr and just stamp this on top of the damp eyeshadow that I've already laid down. It's starting to come together. Using a loose silver glitter and Too Faced glitter glue, I'm going to apply a base of the glitter glue, ending in the center of my lid above my pupil. And before it has a chance to dry, I'm just pressing the loose glitter right into it. I'm going to go back in with JH40 and Trickery and blend along the glitter edge. I used washi tape instead of normal tape because I was afraid that it would hurt my skin. But since I had so much setting powder on beforehand, they started to fall off anyways. I'm just brushing that setting powder away and then going in for my lower lash line using JH40 and the Shadow Potion, just quickly brushing this along my lower lash line. Same brush with inside job and just focusing this on my outer corner of the lower lash line. I decided I didn't like how harsh the tape made it look, so I went back in with those two colors and buffed that edge out as well. Using JH43 and Temptress, I'm sticking really close to my lash line all the way to my inner corner. Going back one more time with JH41 and Zephyr, I'm hitting my inner corners. And just under my brow bone. JH38, Makeup Forever's Starlit Powder in Pearl. I'm setting this on top of Zephyr. It gives it a little bit more shine and pop. Bam! Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. I'm just doing a very defined cat eye. I'm taking the liner all the way to my inner corner and flicking down. And then lining my waterline with Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Oil Slick. Really happy with how this turned out. This might be my look for my Christmas party this weekend. Make sure you apply the lightest green first so that you can really blend it out. Although you can't like see it in the look, I went in with Potion first. The only place you can really see it is my under eye. I left some of it showing. It just makes it blend so much better if you put that light color on first, just so it buffs out to nothing up here and it looks really blended. You don't want to go in with that harsh color right away and try and buff that out, because especially with like good quality pigmented products, you're not going to be able to blend. Once you put that on, it's like it's there. So make sure that you put down your base color, which is a lighter color first. It doesn't have to be a green. If you want to use like a nude, you just want to stick with a very light base color to put on top of your primer. And I'm wearing my grad dress actually. I just got a new tattoo. It is an old-fashioned perfume bottle with a butterfly sitting on it.
He's my big boy. He's not very big. What? Do you love your mama?
I just finished making a whole bunch of holiday cards. Presents have been wrapped for over a week now. Yeah, I really like Christmas. I like spending time with my friends and my family and eating food. And there's always lots of food at Christmas time. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. I will see you on the next one. I'll be doing another holiday inspired makeup look.